everybody, this is Kelly with KP Threads Boutique. I am going to attempt to make this heart. And I'm going to show you how I do that on the Brother PE800. So I'm going to go ahead and select the heart. And I'm just going to do number 2. And I'm going to press set because I want that heart there. And I'm just going to let it in the center right now. So I'm not going to move it and I'm not going to resize it. I'm just going to let it in the center. And I'm going to press edit end. And you heard the machine move. That's just getting it into place. And you can see that the center is the green cross there. That's where the center of the heart is. And I'm just going to press embroider. Drop that. And I'm going to press start. And hopefully we get a blue heart. Got blue thread in there, not red. Puckering going on, a little pulling. So the tension's not quite right. You can see it here a little bit, and you can see it up here. But I've got the machine working properly. Or I shouldn't say the machine. The user knows how to use the machine properly. And there you have it. So all I have to do is lift it up. Hold on 1 second, let me get it taken out. And there you have it. My first heart, even if it's blue. There you go.